20 watts, 650, 1290, 1340, 1350. Hi everyone. Portable power stations are everywhere, but I wanted compact, roll anywhere power that's simple to upgrade and maintain with serious output. I'm not an electrician or a carpenter, and I've never built one of these before, so I kept this as straightforward as possible. I built my own with components provided by LiTime. Thank you, LiTime. I'll walk you through the layout, wiring, and key choices. This flexible build slides under my table, fits in my storage bay, drops into a Craftsman box, or rides on a hand truck for quick moves. Please double check specs and consult a pro if you're unsure. So let's jump right in.
Here's the quick overview. LiTime's 230 amp hour lithium-ion battery feeds a 3,000 watt pure-sine inverter for clean AC. DC outputs power 12 volt gear, and charging comes from the MPPT solar controller, plus a DC to DC charger for the vehicle. Everything rides on a low, stable rolling base that slides under the table, fits in a storage bay, or rolls on a hand truck. Full part list and details and links with discount codes are in the description or pinned comment. So let's go from front to back. I'll show you how I put it together. The base is a compact COSCO folding handcart platform that's strong and easy to roll, and also converts quickly. It lays flat to save space, locks in place so nothing shifts, and gives you a stable, low center of gravity. On top, a simple plywood deck spreads the load and makes mounting clean and solid. The deck is a 3-piece wood assembly, a 24-inch by 14-inch main platform, a 12-inch by 18-inch shelf for the inverter, and a vertical partition to keep the MPPT bus bars, breakers, and fuses organized and protected. Battery first. This pack delivers a lot of usable energy without adding much weight, so you get long run times and a smaller footprint. It's safer chemistry with built-in protections, which minimize risk and help avoid costly mistakes. It tolerates tough conditions, dust, damp, and coastal air, which is important for me because I'm always on the beach. So you can use it confidently outdoors. Cold weather safeguards protect the cells automatically, and lifespan is measured in thousands of cycles, which means fewer replacements and better long-term value. If your needs grow, it's easy to scale the system later. Now the inverter. You get a clean, grid-like power for sensitive electronics, so laptops, tools, and appliances run smoothly. The layout makes cable connection straightforward and strain-free, and protective covers keep things tidy and safe. A hardwire setup increases durability, reduces connection points, and helps minimize voltage drop. Built-in protections help prevent damage from surges or faults, and remote control capability lets you power up and down from a convenient spot. The MPPT controller. You harvest more energy from your panels throughout the day, which means faster charging and better performance in partial shade or changing light. Setup is simple, and wireless monitoring lets you check the system's health and adjust settings without touching the hardware. It's flexible for future upgrades, so moving to a larger or higher voltage array later won't force a full redesign. Short direct wiring keeps losses low and makes the system more efficient overall. The DC to DC charger. You can recharge your drive using a smart profile that treats your battery right. No guesswork. It can wake the system after a protection cutoff, so you're not stuck if you run it down. Electrical isolation reduces interference between vehicle and house systems, and multiple layers of protection guard against overvoltage, heat, and wiring mistakes. Properly sized wiring and fuses keep everything cool, safe, and reliable over the long haul. Here's my global wiring note. Short runs, correct fuse sizing, and solid crimps give you higher efficiency, cooler cables, and fewer points of failure. Good strain relief prevents fatigue on bumps and washboard roads, and routing through a shunt or bus makes monitoring accurate and troubleshooting easy. I'll add all details about component specs, wire sizes, and specifics in the description or pinned comment.
So that's the build. Light, compact, and powerful for its size. You get high energy density, long life, cold weather protection, clean AC power, efficient solar charging, and plenty of room to scale when you're ready. I'm going to record a small drill. I've already pre-made my pod. All right, it's blinking. I have no idea how much the wattage is going to be. We're going to turn it on. And it looks like it must be on. So it's 170 watts. It's fluctuating because it's just trying to get hot. Let's put the pod in. 20 watts, 650, 1290, 1340, 1350. 1340. Thirdly. Coming down to the end. Zero watts. .2 volts. And let's see what the PV is saying. 13.2 volt, 13.4. I've got a 100-watt solar panel plugged in, and I'm using an HT60 to Anderson conversion plug for it. Let's see our coffee. Wow. Beautiful. If this gave you one good idea, please tap subscribe so you don't miss the next video. The full part list, model details, and links with discount codes are available in the description and the pinned comment. Click over here for more no-fluff RV life videos, build guides, and tests and reviews. And I'll see you down the road.